How to make your Roblox audio public. Roblox just announced that you will be able to make your audio public, guys, and in this video I'll show you how to do it. First of all, you need to log into your Roblox account. Then you need to click the create on the top menu. On the left side, you need to select creations and go to the development items. Right here, you need to choose audio. From here, you can upload your audio. Just click upload asset. You need to enter your name, description. Right here, you need to upload the audio and click the upload button, guys. I already uploaded my audio, which is right here. So I won't do it again. And when I click my audio, and as you can see, guys, I can select distribute on creator store right here, but I'm not able to turn this on, guys, because first of all, I need approval on Roblox. So to make your audio public, you need to set this on distribute on creator store. And before you will be able to turn this on, you need to submit for a review right here. First of all, guys, you need ID verification. You need to click verify and finalize the verification process. And then you need to just tick all of these things right here, and you need to click submit. They will review your audio, and then you will be able to make your audio public, guys. Just come back after a few hours or days, and then you will be able to turn this option on. And after that, anyone can check your audio on Roblox. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.